Hey everybody, we are looking in this section 3-6 at the types of graphs we can use for different situations. Alright, so you are going to be asked in a moment 5 questions, 5 different scenarios, and I'd like you to choose from this list of 6. We're going to do groups of 3. So we've covered most, if not all of these in class. Some you've had experience with from science. So the first group of 3, we've got a box and whisker plot. This is an excellent way of representing data when you want a quick glimpse of where things break down in terms of the quartiles, right? This is the lowest point, and then you're going to get 25% of the data to the start of your box, 25% of the data to your median value, another quarter of your data in that third quartile, and then up to the upper extreme or maximum. So you get a glance and you can see how much data is spread. Oftentimes you can compare things with box and whisker plots on the same set of axes, and you can compare, like in our book, 2 different types of automobiles and the types of repairs they might have, for example. Pie chart here, you're familiar with that. I've got a link for you to see Florence Nightingale's contributions to the world of mathematics and statistics, and read about how she used pie charts to show how her healthcare procedures about 150 years ago helped save lives in the Crimean War. Anyway, pie charts are very good at representing a whole that is divided up into parts. So out of an entire 100%, how the percentages break down. Broken line graph down here, the last one in this group, is excellent for portraying how things change over time. So you can tune into that. It could be a chemistry experiment, it could be the stock market, how things change over time. The next group of 6 is bar graph. Again, if you're comparing different things, here is one comparing the United States and Russia and European, and it could be like gross domestic product or the size of an economy. So you're comparing different things. You notice the bars are separated. We're not breaking down a continuum of numbers, scores, or things like that in a bar graph. Closely related and similar is a histogram. Now we do have a score ranging from 0 to 100, broken down into tens, and we're showing how often something occurs, the frequency here along this y-axis. Similar to histogram is our stem and leaf plot. This is where we actually see the numbers. We know how many data points there are. This is 19 and 22, then 25, then 26, 27, 28, 29. Data from 19 up to a maximum of 62. A quick glance, kind of a poor man's histogram or bar graph. Okay, there's your 6. Now I would like to show you the challenge, which is here are our 5 questions. So pause and read each of these and then see how you would apply those 6 to these 5. Alright, so pause and read. Okay, you're back. I hope you have paused. I hope you're not cheating in this one. I'm looking at the first one and I'm thinking this is a survey, 50 responses. How many hours on average do you spend per day doing the following activities? Excellent one for a pie chart because you're dividing up a day, a whole, into parts. And other covers enough stuff that it will take you to your 100%. You ask 100 students how many minutes it does take to drive to the nearest movie theater. They respond with answers rounded to the nearest minute. Out of 100 students,